you're saying?
Actually, more 12 years.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why. Okay. Let's see, Uncle.
Shemenim Mahomatia Mambishe P.A. Sabida Adonipi Iriasimaya Wayadakani Ado. Oh, it is a me, nada to such a shame. Shemenim Mambishe P.A.
Hey. What's it then? What rasta near for? I know for one. And the phone car. Aquava. Mamma, it's attention. It's a man worker.
The first
Gloria in name. That's sorry, Wayne.
Church of Christ.
Wow. The Church of Christ, what shows this there?
Pacho. If you Western region.
Minimum there, a Western region, but Church of Christ for watch over TV. This is it's our venue about to watch Church of Christ for.
But show me better would be out to buy Kwame Eugene.
On there to watch Church of Christ for one. Today uncle.
Today, why dare not be by my top by power? So I do wish you well. Me, I don't play me jealousy die. If you say you Gina son, no one not cheer no one can. I feel new cheer dream, no one not demand round fair. Hey, Namia do my qua, Nami to me to be more beato, Nami to me to be more beato, Nami to me say denti, and no dear to say. Operima Bakum's Ruba for Kwame first time so Chayenia Missy Mary now we sit there the Raoul can Nedin cow me now we see my pa Mukatia mete we are major say ye da FIFA Kabua Chichidiana Fabo say, I will be only bunny or be I will be anywhere.
If you kill, to when your man, I am a wide, you know.
Wish ya would don't die now. Why won't you for
and a beba honum kwasiada West Hills Mall 3 p.m. me pasha ma catch us ju ho 1 nanya enimu gina sanse obapa Christy gina keche omo gina asna past contestants me sure so wa fi omo pa omo gina Righteous Van Dyke Abrantie and a Victor Chum me pasha me fan kase boy entwem emfa ma your sister station Joy Prime 40 Jumedie Shonku bi hyeche so kekan akosi Vows Day a ebeboa your friend no most photogenic. Me ba cho wono ho kani o partner muntwa picture monfa and send it Joy Prime for na picture fe pa e benya most likes no wonim say e ade a obenya romantic date ba candlelight dinner oh jai spa intimate show akwenya na ani intino agbedu dia na iri ni ha intimo amoyire no wa ha sei no akwenya no enya aba na wo fa e Django energy drink preservatives via any just say ahwodin a Django energy drink ebema ono ese wani nse wo kachire tme pa chobo modin ama sanka Django enkanka sportsmen and women Django energy drink and I make am for ma ko ba bia na hu bia bonegono obenya ahwodin shonko and I don't need to change come afa DWP for ho I dance with purpose my favorite your favorite Afronita every morning make I send my updates. Me gusu e ma updates na the abetom ne ye ho ne dance god video bia netizens for area T bisase so ofi hono okọ dance god one minim so what is happening me tomamo what is going on The video is very beautiful, but what is going on? Because we are fifteen same at the update no Abraham until the share video ne bra sisi ayeba. Nti video no na echegu no. So dia na ekoso ni nyina ebe mfefi mu e de Abraham pa ma sanka P-Wack for e de adwo wanwaso aba e fa 3P garlic mixture. Adwo yi me kan yarewa esa e bia beka se me ha me ba no kran so de e ba akope. P-Wack for nuro no 3P garlic mixture no. Edu papa yemfa ne me bia mfrafra ya e garlic extract, natural oils and a P-Wack for akabum. E ton ama say je na bo ho ban kanka we immune system no me 3P garlic mixture na mo ho ban na yarewa bia no enjane emfa enko. Na obi si funny face e broke. We dey sister Penny e Pascal Nedot. Yo sister we me feel you more papa. Hey, your acting skills. I didn't see you on screen see. Omo fa untwa ho. Omo ko fa young girls na na die omuti ho. And I want am person obi twabie. Pa show me you na ye ntotonku. One of the most prettiest actresses we have in Ghana. Also, she's not surprised that funny face a broke. Or no see a broke, but me ho na me funny face or a broke. Hey. Bisa ka so afọ no mon kan show. Funny face. Gore na sa kakraka. Wo ya ye kukobu, wo ya farming. Cars bear for ni compound. So inti funny face broke no. In what context? And I'm patch your sister Penny walking. Ka kunya je kwakwo no patch inti emfi ono wan the home braces ya.
I'm not surprised that funny face is broke. See, funny face's case is a dicey one. The guy has gone through hell and back. So why wouldn't he be broke? He's trying to pick up the pieces. So yes, I wouldn't be surprised. I'm not surprised at all that he's broke. Even me, I'm broke, but because I'm not saying it. So people are thinking I'm okay. I'm broke too. So if you have help, please help me. Me and Funny Face, we are in the same boat. He's broke and I'm broker. So who is going to help who? But you see, we have decided to entertain the world. But at the end of the day, the world thinks they're doing us a favor by writing stuff about us without even knowing the truth. When I go online and I read certain things, I'm like, how did they know these things? Even me, you're talking about me and I don't even know. How? I'm telling you, if you delve into Funny Face's story, you realize that probably the guy will have to call somebody before he feeds in a day. But because he's not saying it, he just said, I'm broke small, and everybody is, no. When somebody is broke and is suffering, he has to say it. But in Ghana, if you say it, then you have a problem. I was reading some people were bashing him and saying all sort of things about him. Charlie, if you have not crossed the river before, you will not know, so don't talk about it.
Stop hanging some day or Mutimitro now. I was my some near can I will be for. I don't think shock but I mean, it's part of the game. So far as I was showbiz, no day on Metro, woman, Yampa, just ignore what I say. But Funny Face said, I am passing the hot trainer. And then Carson, and I want to win, because I can't petrol probably go to crying it. You get what? It's one papa, Sabita Fratch and Patrol. Now say I'm passing the hot trainer. You've got 3 cars on your compound. What's me tone 2 at a starting business? But I don't believe it. Maybe so I am, but who knows? And I ask some way and crack or command a cacra. Coffee chims and a year be a no honum no enge. Nipano asem, ning and I, Nipano asem. Match a boy boss. Oh, Fanny, send you lots of love, light, and love to you this morning. But you met to us so. Guy back wa or ya dear or bobum. I want no any footballers near Grams and no for cranage or mensa. Because I remember no much trasaco, baby. I want for bo 9 years, my Frank Nero. Nipa or bob pan when you bob, but cran and I say, a camboa, what change did you? It's Frank Nero no pay me, I don't know one more ball. I didn't what Papa see Jana. And I see Chana and Napa so ye. Because you are very good in football, I don't know one ball. Say said Yakana your coaching. In turn, not a TikTok live and so. Or can send baby and a baby, I may copy so cacrano. ena yen sa kan ye bo che mo sports presenters no mo ka ho bi ade achi bia mo Black Stars mo bo match we ayese te be no ma ya ade na o kan sim bi eto aso mpa cho yen hwe mbra sisia
Panetis no mo DJ ye buy ni ye di asamoja atem ye fama de there you are know this the there you atem and now did the there you atem is that Sandy I love you odo who did the there you atem the there you are all day the there you are all day obiama bai sports presenters no monko busa omo nyantachi era and start here Samo se mo Ghana football nkoso na mo bedwuma fu a red ho de a ye be Ghana football be brese ya ye be to ha chosa oti ya Ghana local league promote Ghana league apart from Kotokoni has pen on him teams aka onim omo ba unim Barcelona unim wan de bia oye unim Ghana every anopa radio station TV station foreign sports omo 2 hours no mama local league 30 minutes and omo dey local league omo discuss nyina ko foreign now we are be the Ghana football attempt say players nya de unim ba ko gina park ni so e player ben ono ko park so pe lose obia pe win Cote d'Ivoire no host to AFCON no team ben e share no 4-0 why din oto football it's about win football a win lose draw apart from that no your free be lack and your spiritual lack ubobo nyina bo po me run it da obetimanya unique me and you obetimanya empty po de bobo po football mu lack football no me bre ne wo mo so onti football asia ko busa ye be kire football a lot football no man e wo and yet say Ghana ekobo Ghana or 11 players and Mozambique Quebec award 5 players so 11
Enti Frank Nero and Ache na Jeno to be very honest guy we obobo in sebi oteboas and he's making a lot of sense say anope mi bisau say local leagues no they hin na onim like teams no why na onim me nim Kotoko me nim has me nim Mediama All Stars asa me nim obia which is very bad but me te Chelsea nka me te Barcelona nka me te Man U nka na no kwa the West Ham crown so mate omo nka because of kudus enti no your local league for onko na obi bobo pa omo ya ade it's time to promote our own so I agree with Frank Nero on that na sports presenters no mudi atemne dey Frank mami fancy me nua be ma no me fancy football wana mijina na shokon so di play bi to Ghana for ni ba fatwa ma me ne yenkan wonu so chema adesrede en sadansa yem Jane in promoting Amanfo. Chema, it's time to focus on the female teams. The Black Princess have qualified for the Under-20 Women's World Cup. Last year, the Black Queens won all their matches except one. Give them the funding they need. Give them the support. I agree. I was very shocked to see a man or mobile born female footballers. I was very surprised to see them play. I was like, now then I wear munya sa high to say, as you ne kudus na sufwe. Maybe a sports fan, but you know, a bad name maybe I heard. So me sports for no Fire Lady by Countryman Songo, Kejua Wallace, Kobe Stone. We are among wild. Now, Emma Bon, I think Fire Lady is trying for the women's sports because Fire Debiano push your mountain. I want to see more of the women's team. Tena na shoko kano. Monfa margin emano. Yeah, twice favorite artist. He goes school. Favorite artist. He gets certificate. Samini na bisamo ene ano pay. Say what me we game pano. Nani. Ya momon sem. Se be boss am pedun su wie ho. Aha. No. Sawa ho. Ayo. Hey, well back of Yabadu. What's called University of Ghana? Yate. Game by a good school. Okay. ATM Hania Samini cameras is here. Why?
Boom, bang, kaboom. Come check me. Not your regular artist, not your average artist. When I read Badwam, yeah? That's my medal. Actually, I can hang up and walk around the street. You know what? I just, to God be the glory. More higher. Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration certificate. Right. File look like new, file need green, bro. Okay. Emmanuel Andrews Samuel. Bachelor of Science, Honors and Project Management. Second class, upper division. Boom, bang, kaboom. Come check me. Not your regular artist, not your average artist. When I read Badwam, yeah? That's my medal. Actually, I can hang up and walk around the street.
Same way, I'm a director, Kofi Ampedu, and you're a regular director. What I say, we enough to be quite a school, GH Media. No, we are then one, but Ampedu. But me for University of Ghana, I need first degree, master's, to say, you say, or quite, you know. Well, Beck. Now, may catch him say, if you had party because so. Oh, yeah, well, Kofi Ampedu residents, only location to bear now, baby. Only location, any location to bear now, baby. My boss, 42 years, and you are still looking so dope and very handsome. As you may jam, one, the aquatrium, our cast, what PR so. And so I would and obey. And my friend birthday wishes named Sissy, and I mean, kiss me. Says she be quiet, kiss me, right? I kiss me, right? Say, you know, assemblyman, more graduate, MP near the I kiss me. Yo, when you are banner channel, kiss me. You was almost so much shout. Now, say PR saying you may be called Junction View Pap. Yeah, we hang out, Quano, S.W. into Monsha Jenim. But your me birthday wishes no. Now, the kind of me, Berma, or Woofy has say Joseph Quache, I don't want to say friendly PR. Her brother amount. Mamma team, I say, well, Kofi Ampedu, I'm Moses. Madam Mugina must lazy. I will make up the party or Bapa lazy on H-men a day. I'm say, I'm the guy's queen. Maybe Bessie, Yami Adom Achwada. Yebishia, baby, can share Quesiada. I will West still small. I ain't sure, ma. Badwam. Oh, that, my girl.